Congratulations to the 85 fellows and 35 projects that Baden Academy will be hosting in its Media Lab Research Fellowship program. The fun guys, Anne, Rory, Cassie, Michael, and Lyra, working with third grade classrooms and the Sisters of St. Joseph to develop a sustainable composting system for our school cafeteria. Sarat makes a point. Zoe, Ava, and Grace working with the Cariotis Kindergarten to create a story of George Seurat, pointillism, and the science of color. Kylie and Sophie will be finishing their book, George Washington at Logstown, this year with the Beaver County Historical Society. And Zaya and Raymond will be beginning their new book on Lewis and Clark repairing their boat here in Baden, also with the Historical Society. Our MG kids, Alexandra, Gavin, and Gianna, will be learning chemistry and cooking up even more fun with molecular gastronomy recipes. Jada, Seda, and Wyland are working with mentors from the Pennsylvania Game Commission and the Pennsylvania Wildlife Commission to develop this endangered wildlife game. Madeline and Ethan are the leaders of our Nerd Battalion this year, helping kids master new and advancing technology and preparing one nerd from every classroom to help with tech. Ava, Delana, Desi, Reed, Jerome, and Jaden are working hard with Baden Dreams, teaching e-commerce to all of our young entrepreneurs. Noah and Robbie are leading the Dragon Tag Programming Club, once again leading us through the American Computer Science League competitions, introducing us to new programs with Scratch, and of course, helping us complete our code.org assignments. Our Faces project is back with Jackson, Oliver, Connor, and George exploring human motion expressed in humanoid robotics, computer graphic interfaces, and facial recognition. Our Kids' Hearts Fellowship continues under the leadership of Amaya and Javon as they work to provide a website of resources to help kids facing major surgery find courage, humor, and strength. Our Aquatic Robotics, Oliver, Grace, and Carly teaching the world about new and amazing under, over, and on the sea robots. The Sustainable Water team, Noah, Sydney, and Matthew, are investigating where our water comes from, where it goes, and the processes we use to keep it sustainable and clean. Our sun superheroes, Destiny and Aaliyah, will be continuing to follow the Parker Solar Probe and illuminating the scientific world of astrophysics, the research behind the shining star closest to us. Organized Kids, heading to the NAPO, the National Association of Professional Organizers, Pittsburgh Conference this month. The Organized Kids is still working hard on a website of tools that help kids and parents to be more organized. Heroes of Math, Jameson this year is being joined by Madison and Allison, celebrating famous contemporary mathematicians and their discoveries. The Baden Academy Future City Competition team is being led this year by Anya, Naomi, and Sean, and they are working hard to prepare our 6th grade team to compete in this Sustainable Futures and City Engineering competition in January. Our Take Action Service Learning Club is under the leadership of Madison Harper and Dante Nastic. They are inspiring kids to take action on local and global issues. Robotics is being led by Ramon and Anita, introducing students to programming Mindstorm robots, Groma robots, Vex robots, and taking a glimpse at some of the exciting horizons in robotics today. Our chess club is being led by Lane Burchett, Lucas Matesic, and Alex Palmieri, working with kids after school to learn and play chess. Our after school Stained Glass Club is being led again by Nolan Pugh and Mark Vion. The Ultimate Food Box. Isabella Rivera will be creating an easy-to-replicate system for automatic reminders for a monthly school food collection to benefit a local food bank. Felicity, Darius, and Madison are leading the anti-drowning technology team, working to use technology to prevent childhood drowning, continuing to work on the mobile app they started last year. Our Future Engineers Club is being led by Landon Kiefer, helping students learn about computer animated design and our 3D printers. Lilia and Jonah will be completing their children's book, Huygens, Earth's Farthest Robotic Outpost, later this year. The digital tour of a nuclear plant is a new game being started by Joey and Joseph, Joey and Asher, and Jacob. Plastic Pollution Police, Jack, Nadia, Lila, and Jocelyn want to stop plastic pollution. The Pollinators, Molly, Peyton, and JJ, will be teaching first graders about how to grow pollinator plants that feed the bees and the butterflies. Precision Fails, Elizabeth and Anaya will be researching math mistakes that have cost millions. Did you know there are 17 rare earth elements critical to our technological infrastructure? Ariane, Damari, Chance, and Amir will be bringing you more news of this critical, timely topic. 2 teacher fellows are returning. Kenesha Page is coming back to continue work on her incredibly important Beaver County Black History website and videos and lessons. And Melanie Houston is doing some incredible work solving the problems encountered in the vast expanse of space to inspire students. Congratulations to all of our returning fellows and our new fellows. It's going to be a great year.